車で左ハンドルの国で右ハンドル車に乗ってると結構目立ちます。サムズアップ、指を上げていいなーってかっこいいっていうのはたくさん、もらってます。やっぱり珍しい車知ってる人と全然知らない人も今の人みたいにこう見てくれる人が多いです。不思議に右ハンドル車に乗っている。なんか最初は気づかなくても何回も振り返ってこう見直して、あれなんかハンドルが違うんじゃないかというふうに不思議な目で見られることもあります。今日は残念ながらあっちゃんはいないです。昨日夜遅くまでカートレーシングに行ってきたんで、もう疲れて朝起きれないと、あと勉強があるということもあるので真面目で、とりあえずパパは一人でスカイラインを出してサウスレイクカーズ&コーヒーサウスレイクというイベントに向かっております。このスカイライン33スカイライン GTST2.5 ターボ車乗れば乗るほど調子良くなってきてましたよね。調子いいです。スムーズだし音もいいし高速道路で普通に飛ばせるし、エアコンもあるしね。エアコンがあるからこそ夏にこの車結構使えるね、乗れるね、いいね。まあ今日のイベントは日本車、アメ車、スーパーカー多く、俺のラプターに今カリフォルニアから来てる友達に貸してるんで、スティーブのラプターも後で来ますね。あんまり最近ラプターは、出てこないので撮りましょうか、少し回しましょうか。ラプターはいいトラックですよ。30何万キロになったのかな、もう今走行距離がかなり乗ってるんで、でも調子よくて。ところでちなみにこのスカイラインは18万9000キロですよ。18万9000キロ、なかなかだよね。でも調子いいです。サウスレイクのイベントまであともう少しですね。どういう車がいるのかな、そう楽しみです。いい人といい車と最高の、ね、コンビですね。よろしく。イベントはこちらです。楽しいイベントですよ。ほら、カーズ&コーヒーサウスレイクですね。Morning, guys. What's going on?
How's it going, Steve?
My man, how are you? Nice to see you, dude. I missed you. The hair's looking good.
Thank you.
I love it. Got my 80s thing going for me. I love it. Hey, my Raptor's showing up after this with a bunch of dudes you don't know in it. But
Awesome.
can you,
Taken care of.
thank you, bro. I appreciate it. About 20 minutes or so.
Sweet, no problem.
Cool, thank you. Mr. El Chapo.
Yes, sir. How you
El
doing?
Chapo. How are you, my man?
Nice seeing you. I haven't
Nice
seen
to
you in a
see you
while.
always.
We're gonna go ahead and park you over here behind the board.
You got it. Thank you, man. Thank you. Hey, good morning, dude. How are you? Nice to see you, Nick. Good morning. Hello there. How are you today? Mr. Panda, where are we going?
Right here.
All right, I like that. Panda, where are you hiding, man? What you doing? You know my good buddy Nick, huh?
Oh, yes, I do.
Do you know the story of how Nick and I met? I want to tell you real quick. Nick is from originally from New York, but Nick went out. He was in California around the same times that I was there. Not as long, but he was there, and he saw that I moved to Texas. I came here. You were watching the channel, and you said, "Man, maybe it's time." Also, you thought it was time to get up and go, right?
Oh, yeah.
So Nick comes out here, came to this event, I think it was one time, came up to me, introduced himself, said hi, knew I was a realtor, and said, "Hey man, I'm looking for a place, can you help me with a lease property?" I said, "Absolutely, man, I'd be honored." And my first deal in Texas as a licensed realtor was thanks to Nick and his wonderful family and his roommate. And they live up in Sherman in a beautiful house on acreage, man. I mean, I'm jealous of where they live. It's so nice.
It's awesome.
And since then, Nick's been going on the rallies, and he's been doing that. He's a member of the community. I love his dad, his mom, his family, super nice people. So I'm glad everybody's connecting as a result, man.
Same here.
And Nick's a musician. One of these days, he's going to let me hear some of his music too, man. I can't wait. That's music to my ears right there, too.
Yes, it is.
All right, guys. Nice seeing you as always. Thumbs up. Have a good day. スカイラインはここに止めさせてもらいました。面白いところは日本のスカイラインの前にもう1億以上の1億何千万円の新型フォード GT もいます。こういう感じですね。かっこいいんじゃない？これリスペクトじゃない？日本車へのスカイラインとフォード GT なかなかでもスカイラインどっちかといえばスカイラインの方が人気かもしれないよね。結構見られる。結構入ってきたらすごい人に見られちゃったりしていてみんな好きなんだよね。かっこいい珍しいものです。これからちょっと変わるけどねイメージ的に。信じられないんだけどミスター T が現れました。すごいですよね。かっけー。
Everything he said, I pity the fool.
Give me a Rocky line. Give me a Clubber Lang line.
I don't hate Balboa, but I pity the fool.
That's
right.
I love it, man.
Of course.
Thumbs up, Miss. Mr. Covington, Mr. Upshift, downshift, upshift, no shift, quick shift. How are you, man? Nice to see you as always.
Today they were all dirty.
Where's your?
They were all
No,
dirty.
you're not promoting your own brand here. You're at an event. Come on,
Other
dude.
Brand, right? Porsche. And your shirt was dirty too. I wore it the other day.
Well, I'm glad you're wearing it, dude. Wait, hang on. I got to tell you a story. Guys, you all know Blake, Shape Dallas, and Upshift Exotics. One of the best guys around here that I've gotten to know since we come to town. Always love seeing you. Thank you. I got to tell you a funny story. So last night we went out park racing in Cotto Mills. Never been out there before. I put my name up on the screen. I go out for my first race, which is pathetic. Don't ask me how I did, because I'm not going to tell you. It was that bad. But as I get off the track and I'm coming out, this guy comes up and he goes, hey dude, do you know Blake Covington? I said, I know Blake Covington. Of course. He goes, dude, you just online, somebody saw your name was in there, and he knows Blake, and he knows you, and I used to be the security guard in the building where he used to have his place.
Oh, yeah, I know exactly what you're talking
Skinny
about.
guy with a beard.
Yeah, he does a lot of kart racing. Awesome guy.
He was out there, real
Really
nice
cool
dude.
guy.
He came out and said hi to me yesterday, which I was honored
Awesome.
for.
That makes me
And
feel good.
It makes you feel.
Someone's
He remembers
watching the videos.
He is, man. He loves your channel, as do I. Upshift Exotics, check him out, subscribe, man. A guy working hard, building the business, building the family,
That's right.
building his own channel right now.
That's right. Having a lot of fun.
Love it. Thumbs up always, brother. Thank you. And wear my shirt next time, right?
I will.
Look at that. Wow. You're for real, huh? Holy crap, look at all that. Let's see what you're doing right there. Sick! When are we gonna shoot some of my cars with this nice setup? Wow, look at that. Nice stuff, man. Really nice.この RX-7 の FD、これ右半ですね。日本から輸入された ものなんですが、かっこいいですよね。これ初めて見たんですけど、マツダスピードのホイールとかマツダスピードのアクセサリーがついてるのかな、本物なのかな、これアフターのパーツとして買ってつけるものなのかな、よくわかんないんだけど、めちゃくちゃかっこいい。これオーナーさんがいればちょっといろいろ聞いてみたいなと思うんだけど、これ先日見たらめちゃくちゃ気に入った RX-750 です。かっけー。多分1台しかいないのかな今日は。いいな。このトラックはめっちゃかっこいいんじゃない？トヨタで。ナイスマン。かっけー。このシエナがかっこいいんじゃない？アメリカであまり改造する人はいないです。シエナとかになると。これエアサスだろうし、いろんなオプションも上のキャリアもあるし、前のスクリーンもあるし、車高もかっこいいよな。いいな。まあ、バンを乗るなら、こういう仕様だよね。Oh, Mr. T.
Hey.
All right, what was your top?
Yes, sir.
Your top car here today. What was your favorite? From Mr. T's perspective, the best car in the show today.
The best car is all of them.
All of them.
The best car that I know of is the 18 van, fool. I pity the fool that don't love the 18 van.
Where's the van, man? Where's the van?
I left it with Hannibal.
With Hannibal?
Needed it today, so I used my regular car. I dropped the key blazing.
You got a good heart.
Hey,
All right, man. Nice seeing you, my man.
Yes, sir.
All right. Woo!
I love your car.
Z ノリ Z はすげえ。駐車場の奥の奥に止めてある俺のラプターです。かっこいいよね。かっこいいよ。みんなに言われます。スティーブのラプターはかっこいいよって、俺もそう思います。かっこいいトラック、30数万キロね、超えてもまだ調子のいいかっこいいラプターです。What's that shirt say?
Kill Bill.
Kill Bill. Here comes the what? The bride. Here comes the bride. Very cool, dude.
Thank you.
You have a great day. Nice to see you. お疲れ様でした。今日は楽しい一日でしたね。イベントの後は友達と合流になって朝ごはん食べに行った。いつもその感じですね。楽しいです。楽しい。夏はちょっと暑いんだけど、エアコンのある R33 スカイライン、この車いい車だな。本当に90年代っていう感じの車ではないです。スムーズに走ること、パワーのあること、乗れば乗るほど本当に調子よくなるものですね。好きです。これから改造とか軽い感じっていうか、見た目の改造がこれからいろいろあると思います。この車やっぱりかっこいいのはかっこいいんだけど、マイカーなんでオリジナリティ、このままもかっこいいけど少しいろいろ考えてます。ぜひ付き合ってください。チャンネル登録と、また StevePOV.jp、 StevePOV のこういうオリジナルグッズがいっぱいあるので、日本国内から発送させていただきます。ぜひ 業 DIY の作業この車以外にも DIY 作業いっぱいあるんで入ってちょっとやろうかなお昼寝してからいつもそんな感じです土曜日はではじゃあ皆さんまた、近々また、お会いしましょうねそれまではいつも日々前進前